Hey guys, welcome to 859 Main Street in Holyoke. This is apartment 1R. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that we have just finished renovating and we're getting ready for our tenants to move in. So I figured I'd give you a quick walkthrough and show you what we're doing. This has been a labor of love for the last 8 or 9 months or so. So much of this building was just neglected over time, and we went back through and we made a lot of upgrades to make this actually habitable. So this is our fully renovated, clean, new bathroom. You've got a new tub, new shower liner, new toilet, new plumbing, new electrical. The sewage goes where it's supposed to, which wasn't really the case when we bought this property. So we're turning these into arguably some of the nicest apartments that Holyoke actually has. So off of your, front hallway, you've got this large, dedicated living space. And in Holyoke, back in the 1800s, it was one of the richest cities in all of America. They were producing 320 tons of paper a day. They supplied 80% of America's paper right here in the city. So they built really big buildings because they were very wealthy. So this is something, a lot of space that you don't see in other areas of Massachusetts. You got this super large eat-in kitchen, right? So you can fit the whole family here. We've got 2 bedrooms situated off of the kitchen. This is one of them. We're missing a light bulb, or I'd show you all 3. But yeah, this is another bedroom. We've refinished all of these floors. All of these floors are original, and they were an absolute to get cleaned up. If you can believe it, there was like 5 to 7 layers of porch and floor enamel on every single one of these floors. Porch and floor enamel is that really heavy duty paint that you put on your deck to protect it from, sun, salt, snow. It's not meant to be put on your oak or pine floors. So the boys worked really hard, 5 hours of sanding on average per room, but we've got beautiful original floors that really show the character of this building. Every single one of these bedrooms has a steam radiator. I got 3 in my house, and it heats the thing up like nobody's business, so I can't even imagine how hot this apartment's gonna be in the winter, but that's good, right? We've got all new double pane vinyl windows to keep that heat in. You've got a really big, large pantry. I mean, this apartment has like more cabinets than pretty much everything we've ever done in the city. Cheapest rents, most space, most cabinets, but it is what it is. It's a winner for everybody. And then this is probably, I would guess, your master bedroom. It's really big. It's got a lot of natural sunlight. And even though it's on the first floor, we're actually like 6 feet up off the street, so it provides a lot of privacy as well as security. We've got 6 apartments that are going to be finished in approximately 30 days. The other ones that are rented, we got 2 more to renovate after that. And this building's gonna be done, and we're on to refinancing. So very exciting. Thank you for tracking and following our progress on this building. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough.